Acupressure Self-Care Handbook, Healing at Your Fingertips by Roger DeLay. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicinal form of massage, often used in conjunction with acupuncture, based on the concept of a life energy or qi, which flows through channels called meridians in the body. Its aim is to stimulate the body's natural healing ability. In this book, the late Dr. Roger DeLay, a French acupuncturist, shares step-by-step treatments for more than 100 diseases and disorders, ranging from deafness and tonsillitis to prostate problems and menstrual pain. One of the chief benefits of acupuncture, according to DeLay, is preventing or postponing the use of chemical pharmaceuticals to solve problems, especially those that are self-administered. It permits the patient to put the responsibility of health and healing into his or her own hands, literally, without discounting the role of medical doctors. It represents the very spirit of preventative medicine. And while acupuncture by a qualified professional will likely be more effective than at-home stimulation, there are still great benefits to be gained from home treatments.